Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. This is the sixth video of my tutorial series, and today I'll show you how you can push objects in real world using magic. Yeah, the magic of VFX. So let's take a look at the video. So this is an easy effect comparing to what we have done previously. I'll rate it 3 out of 5 stars, but this tutorial uses Redjani VFX, which is a plugin for After Effects, which is not free. It's free for students like me, but it's not free for all. But you can do this even without the plugin. So let's get on with the video.
By making this video, I'm not claiming that I know everything about filmmaking or VFX. I'm just learning as you are.
Open After Effects project and name it something. I'll name it Force Push and hit OK. And now you can see there are two layers. Bottom layer is for the push and the top layer is for the object which will be pushed. So as you can see, I'm manually pulling it so that it looks like I was pushing it. Yeah. So now I'll duplicate it and drag the top layer below, because we have to make a background layer or clean plate which contains only the background and not the objects like me and the stool. So I'll mask myself like that in the first one so that I disappear from the frame. And in the second video, and now I'll mask the stool so that the stool does not stay there for the clean plate. And you can achieve this during shoot, which is ideal, but I forgot to do this, so I'm doing this now. So if you do this during the shoot, you do not have to do it in post. So I'm masking the stool so that it disappears, and just hit the subtract button on the mask. And now I will pre-compose this and name it BG, means background. And now I'll time freeze it so that it stays like that for the entire time. And now let's work with the footage. So as you can see, I'm pushing and I'm pulling at the same time. You have to match those footage. So I'll mask myself right now because I am in the foreground, and I'll add effects. I'll add effects in the background. So I have to mask myself, and I'll create a mask and keyframe it, and I'll mask it again and again. You have to do this for every 5 or 6 frames. It doesn't have to be perfect, but ideally you should do this almost perfectly. But in this case, you don't have to be perfect. Like if you're seeing this, I'm not being entirely perfect like that. So after masking, you will be left out with something like this. And now I have to mask myself, which is pulling the stool. So instead of masking myself, I'll mask the stool and add it. You can mask the stool by adding, or you can mask me, or in your case yourself or someone else, and subtract it. I'll add keyframes and keyframe it, and after masking it will look something like this. And now for the energy effect, I'll create 2 circular ellipse masks and keyframe it to be bigger and feather it a lot, and that's it, and make it disappear after some time. You can see all the keyframes and all the values in the screen. You can just replicate this or you can make your own. And now I'm adding fractal noise to this. So just add fractal noise, and then I'll add unsharpen mask and play with the fractal noise. And now I'll make it 3D and add it in the scene. And now I will add super comp. It's from Red Giant, but it's free if you are a student. If you are not a student, then it's not free. You can do this with displacement maps, but I'm doing this using Red Giant VFX super comp. So in the energy layer, I'll make it displacement and play with the settings. So I'll make the amount 20, make the spread 15, and just play with the settings. Chroma to 100 and softness to like 5 or 2, whatever suits you. You can play with this setting and see how it looks like in your footage. So after playing a while, you will get a effect which you will like, and you will render it and see how it looks. And now I will add a camera shake plugin to it. I'm again using Red Giant tools. You can find it in the links below. Yeah, and it does with just one click.
So this is it, guys, and here's how the final video will look after some grading. So thanks for watching the video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, and sub if you loved it, and I'll see you. Bye.